Samsung is getting ready to launch two exciting devices soon, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and the Galaxy S25 FE. These are two of the most talked about upcoming gadgets from Samsung this year. Some leaked images of both devices have now come out, giving us a first look at what they will look like. The pictures may not be very clear, but they are good enough to show us the design changes Samsung is making. Let's first talk about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you like big, powerful Android tablets, this is something you'll want to watch. People have been waiting for it since the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra came out at the end of 2024. Now, it looks like the new model is just around the corner. The design of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is not completely new, but it does look better and more modern than before. One of the first things you'll notice is the notch on the front. Yes, Samsung is still using a notch in 2025, even on its most high-end tablet. But the good part is that this new notch is smaller than the one on the Tab S10 Ultra and Tab S9 Ultra. The bezels around the screen are also very thin, which makes the tablet look clean and premium. Because the notch is smaller now, some people think that Samsung might have removed one of the two front cameras. So instead of two selfie cameras, we might only get one. Some people might not like that, but let's be honest, most people don't really use tablets to take selfies. It's not a big loss. On the back, things get a bit more interesting. The dual camera setup on the back looks bigger than before. This might mean that Samsung has made some changes to the camera hardware and that photo quality will be better this time. Of course, tablets are not mainly used for taking pictures, but it's still nice to see that Samsung is trying to improve the camera system. The S Pen is also coming back with this tablet, which is not surprising. Many people love using the S Pen for drawing, writing, and editing. Samsung knows how important this feature for people who use their tablets for work or creative tasks. It doesn't look like the company plans to remove it anytime soon. As for other features, it looks like the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra will have the same large 14.6-inch display as the last model. Inside, it's expected to upgrade from the Dimensity 9300 Plus processor to the new Dimensity 9400 Plus. This should make the tablet even faster and more powerful. There are also reports that Samsung will release a regular Tab S11, but there might not be a Tab S11 Plus this time. Now let's move on to the Galaxy S25 FE. This phone is the next version of the Galaxy S24 FE, which had a mixed response. Some people liked it, but many felt it didn't live up to expectations. This year, Samsung seems ready to fix that. The leaked photo of the Galaxy S25 FE shows a phone that looks almost exactly like the regular Galaxy S25. But here's something to note. The FE model might actually have a slightly bigger screen. Reports say it could have a 6.7-inch display, just like the S24 FE. This means you'll get a large screen phone at a lower price than the flagship. The back of the phone will have 3 cameras, a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. These cameras aren't a big upgrade over the last version, but they should still take good photos for everyday use. One small but nice change is the color options. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to come in a new white color, along with the usual dark gray. The white version wasn't available on the S24 FE, so this could be a popular choice for people who want something fresh. Inside the phone, Samsung is expected to use its own Exynos 2400 chip. It will likely have 8 GB of RAM and come in different storage sizes -128 GB, 256 GB, and maybe even 512 GB. The battery is expected to be at least 4,700 mAh, and yes, it will support for 5W fast charging. That means you won't have to wait long to get your phone charged up again. The most important part, of course, will be the price. Samsung hasn't said anything official yet, but if they can keep the price reasonable, The Galaxy S25 FE could be one of the best mid-range phones of the year. It has a nice design, solid features, and hopefully good performance, all without the high price tag. To sum it up, Samsung is sticking with what works and making small improvements. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra keeps the big screen and the S Pen, but brings a cleaner design and better cameras. The Galaxy S25 FE brings a flagship-style look with useful features at a more affordable price. Both devices look promising, and we'll probably hear more about them very soon. If you've been waiting for a new tablet or a new phone, Samsung might have just what you need.